Welcome to 1150 West Fairhill Drive. This nicely updated 3-bedroom, 1.5 bath brick ranch style home with a 2-car carport, large fenced backyard with workshop, storage shed and covered parking, and a beautifully updated interior. Sits on a large corner lot in the Fairhill neighborhood in West Columbia. It's convenient to I-20 and I-26, downtown Columbia and Lexington as well as Columbia Metropolitan Airport. So we're outside in the front yard now. You can see it is on a corner lot here. You have gravel to start the driveway, and then it goes into the 2-car carport on the left side of the home. You do have a laundry room here as well. Have the door open, you are down that light in there currently, but you have full-size washer and dryer connections out here. There's some built-in shelving as well, and it does have a door that closes and locks. Access to the inside from there as well, and you also can access through the front door. So we'll actually go in just through the side door and also take a look at the backyard quickly on the way. So the backyard, as you can see, fully fenced in. You have sort of a shed there with some covered storage as well as a large workshop there. That is powered, so it does have lighting and outlets inside. Covered area there, and then the backyard is a very nice size. So we're coming in through the side of the house instead of the front just for ease today. But you are right inside of the kitchen. You have an eat-in kitchen, very nicely updated. You can see with stainless steel appliances, solid surface countertops, and you have also have an eat-in dining area on this side with access to that carport and the backyard. You see updated lighting. There are some sort of recessed or can lights in the kitchen as well. You have a dishwasher, smooth top electric range with a nice hood above, and the side-by-side refrigerator. Just through to the front of the house, the living room off the entry has a ceiling fan, beautiful picture window looking out over the front porch, and nice glass inlay in the door there as well. Got a nice sized living room, and you also do have the beautiful vinyl plank hardwood look flooring that is throughout the living and kitchen and also in the bathrooms. We'll go ahead and on down the hall, take a look now. You have an attic access pull down in the hallway. Your one full bathroom in the home is off the hall. Flooring continues in there. Updated vanity fixtures and lighting in here as well. You do have crown molding also in here, and beautiful tile in the shower and tub. There also is a linen closet. And then another linen closet here in the hallway. The master bedroom at the back left of the house going down the hall. Nice sized room. Looking out towards the side and back. The closet is here. And you do have a half bathroom as well. Same flooring, updated vanity as in the hall bath. You do also have a medicine cabinet here, and does have the more original tile to the home. 2 additional bedrooms. Both of those face the front of the house, and both are very nice size as well. Here's one. And both those bedrooms do actually have slightly larger closets, so just a bit of recessed space in there. And then last but not least, your 3rd bedroom. And the doors for those are sort of right across from each other. This one has 2 windows centered on the front, and the closet is there. So that completes our tour of this home, 1150 West Fairhill Drive in West Columbia. You can find out more information by visiting this home on our website at turnerproperties.com.